Welcome back. Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar feels that proper sports amenities are essential to preserve sports culture in the state. He has assured that by next year, government will provide necessary sports equipments to the schools. Tawadkar was speaking at the annual sports of Vadinagar English High School.
सगळ्या शाळांच्या भुरग्यांक सगळ्या शाळांमध्ये की ज्या भुरग्यांक वापरपा खातीर की सफिशियंट जे साहित्य आसपाक जाय म्हणून हांव ह्या वर्सा सत्व काडलो सबंद गोंयभरांतल्या सगळ्या शाळांनी प्राथमीक स्तर पासून सगळ्या शाळांनी जायते साहित्य दिवपाचो निर्णय घेतलो. फुडल्या वर्सा साकून जो एखादो शाळेचो भुरगो स्पोर्ट्सान येतलो ताका सफिशियंट जो आसा की पोशाक जो आसा तो आमी दिवपाचो निर्णय घेत आसा. फुडल्या वर्सा कालावधीन सगळ्या शाळांमध्ये आमी एड्रेस दितले.
Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar was the chief guest at the annual sports of Vadinagar English School. President of Vadinagar English School and Speaker of Goa Assembly Rajendra Arlekar was also present at the function. School students performed a colorful display at the sports meet.
एहसान है मुझ पे तुम्हारा, छूटे ना ये साथ हमारा.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Christmas cribs are a major attraction of Christmas celebrations. Every household has a decorated crib to display, each one creative, innovative and different. The lights, stars and the live participants add extra color to the Christmas crib. Here are some of the attractive cribs. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.